everyone, it's Steve from itmakessenseblog.com, and I want to show how anyone with 0 subscribers or 0 experience can make money on YouTube. And the best part is you don't have to film your own videos, so stay tuned. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 or more. And the best part is you don't have to get in front of the camera. You don't have to do any of the filming. You don't have to do any of the production. All you're doing is taking other videos, and this is perfectly legal, that are on YouTube, and you are taking them, downloading them, editing, and then reposting. And I'm going to show you how you can do this legally, but you have to stay until the end, and I'll show you the exact way to do this. Now let's go over to the computer and I'll show you examples. All right, like I said before, the best part about this strategy is you don't have to shoot your own videos. And I know a lot of people don't want to get in front of a camera, which makes YouTube very scary. But with this method, you literally can have 0 subscribers, 0 knowledge, 0 experience with YouTube, and you can make $100 a day. Now, most videos on YouTube you cannot use because they're other people's content, but I'm going to show you how you use something called Creative Commons, and I'll show you what that is in a second, where you have the right to download and reuse any video that's within the Creative Commons. Okay, so let's say you're starting out and you want to create a channel about, let's say, sports. So you can type in sports. Now, what you want to stay away from are the ones, and there's nothing here where they say an ad. Let's see if I can find one to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see where this says ad here? You want to stay away from those. So let's go back to sports. What you're going to do is you are going to go to the filter, and then you're going to filter by Creative Commons. And remember, this is the very important part, because any video that is designated as Creative Commons are videos that you can use legally. Okay, so now I'm looking, these are all videos that are copyright free, which means that I can take them, download them, re-edit them if I want to, create a new thumbnail. For instance, this one right here, this Oogie and the Cockroach sports fan, has 55 million views. So what you can do is you can go through some of these videos, and what you can do is you can either download them and create new thumbnails, new keywords, and then re-upload them. Or better yet, you can take some of these and you can create compilations of them. Since you're not filming your own videos, you can be pretty aggressive with this. And what you'd want to do, since you're starting with 0 subscribers, is take many of these videos and do at least one a day, if not more. Another thing you can do is you can come over here and you can go to trending, find out what's trending, and for instance, you can choose music, gaming, news, movies, or fashion. Let's say, gaming, I know right now with my kids is pretty like Fortnite. But right now, let's see what's trending. Let's see, like Fortnite. Okay, so we go back here and we can do Fortnite. And remember, we have to do the Creative Commons. And all of these are copyright free, so I'd look for ones that have high views. And not many. Okay, here's one, 3.8 million views. So I could take this one, download it, create a thumbnail, and re-upload it. Or I could take different Fortnite clips, create a compilation, and upload it that way. Now I'm not going to go through how to download and then edit. That's something you can Google yourself. So what are the different topics you can re-upload that are going to make you money? Well, one is fitness. People love fitness. And there's a lot of videos. If I go to filter, Creative Commons, you can see here a lot of, remember, stay away from the ads, 16 million views on crazy fitness moments. You can take this video and you can create a thumbnail and then re-upload it. 1.2 million views. Another one is politics. If you're into that, politics. And here's another thing I want to say, and I probably didn't mention, is every time you do a new search, you have to make sure that you filter the Creative Commons, because sometimes it doesn't hold, and you don't want to take a video that is copyrighted and then get burned by YouTube. That would be very bad. So politics is another one. Another one is conspiracy theories. I don't know why, but conspiracy theories is another one that, again, do the Creative Commons. And you can see here, go through and just look for different conspiracy theory videos that you can download yourself. So another one that's often done is sports. So if I do top 10 sports highlights and I do Creative Commons, you can see here, look at the best jumpers in the world, 6 million views. So you could take this, you could re-edit it, or you can add different compilations or add a different thumbnail and then upload it. There's other things you can do with sports. There's so many different things. You can do basketball, you can do the best dunks. Football, you can do the best hits, best tackles. There's just so many different things you can do with sports. It's a very popular topic you can choose. Another popular one is recent news. So you come over here and you can do a recap of the news. Scroll down, do different compilations, find a video. Like I said, really, you just want to try to stick with the topics that are popular and the topics that are trending. Okay, you're probably thinking to yourself now, okay, great, why am I doing this? How am I making any money? So typically what you can expect, if you have 1,000 views, on average, you will make $3 per 1,000 views. So let's take this best jumpers in the world. They have 6 million views. So if we take 6 million, we divide it by 1,000 times 3, that video roughly estimated is making $18,000. So if you have a video that's 1 million views, you can expect about $3,000 on average profit. So that is the reason why you want to try to do this and create a video that goes viral and get you to that 1 million views, because what you're doing doesn't cost you any money except for maybe some editing software, and you can make, if you get 1 million views, $3,000, which is pure profit. Okay, now you might be thinking to yourself, is anyone doing this? Well, let me show you an example of how people are really doing this and making money. So there's the top 10 fastest trains in the world. So here's a video for the top 10 fastest trains in the world 2019, 5.3 million views. If I scroll down, remember this thumbnail, here's another one, 14,000 views. Here's a, let's see, here's another one, 3.4. Here's another one, so 1.9. So here's another one with the same thumbnail, top 10 fastest trains. These are all the Creative Commons, and this just goes to show you that people are doing this and they're getting millions of views and making that $3,000 once they get to that 1 million views. So it is working. Now I want to show you a cool website that you can use to see how much YouTubers are really making. So let me go to one of the top kids YouTubers, and I know this because my kids told me about this and it blows my mind, called Sis and Bro, I think it's called. Yeah, Sis and Bro. So what I can do is I can copy their, let's delete that. They have 11.4 million subscribers, and all they do is video themselves making a YouTube, just playing games. So let's copy this, and we go to a site called socialblade.com. I would take their YouTube channel and copy it into here, and then hit the search, and you can see it's estimated that they are making anywhere between $31,000 and $529,000 per month, and up to 6.4 million per year. So another reason why starting a YouTube channel and getting subscribers is a really lucrative business to start. So I want to leave you with one example of someone that's doing this on a regular basis, and that is this website or this YouTube channel here. So if I take his channel and I put it into Social Blade, you can see that he's making, now this says about 50,000 a year. I think it's actually more like 100,000, and it's basically just doing the method I'm teaching you. Now there's one thing that I want to mention, and that is to make, before you can monetize your channel, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now if you're doing this method, you should be able to get your subscriber count up rather quickly. But I just want to make you aware that you cannot monetize your YouTube channel until you hit those metrics. So that is just a creative way that you can make money online and make money specifically with YouTube. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this and it's worked for you. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up so I know to create more content like this. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm creating content all the time related to making money online, starting an online business, passive income, affiliate marketing. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.